In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up time sectors in Trello. 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have a simple way to track exactly how long tasks take right inside your Trello cards. We'll connect a time tracking power-up and then start and stop a timer on a real task so your time sectors or time segments are captured accurately. Start by logging into Trello and opening the board where you manage your work. This should be the place where the tasks you want to measure already live. Once the board is open, look for the Power-Ups option in the board's toolbar or menu. That's where you add extra functionality to Trello. Open the Power-Ups directory and use the search bar to find a time tracker. Popular choices include Clockify, TimeCamp, T-Metric, or Jibble. Any of these will let you run a timer from inside a card. Pick the one that suits your team's workflow and budget. If you're on a free Trello plan, remember that there may be limits to how many power-ups you can add to a board. Click the tracker you prefer to open its details page, then choose Add. Trello will prompt you to connect the tool to your board. Follow the on-screen instructions to sign in or create an account with that service, and grant the requested permissions so the timer can appear on your cards. This is a one-time setup, and it ensures the time you track is saved to the tool's reports. With the power-up installed, open a Trello card you want to measure. You should now see a time tracking button in the card, often in the sidebar or near the card header. Click Start Timer to begin tracking. As soon as you do, the button will switch to a stop option and you'll see the timer start counting. This confirms your session is running and recording in the background while you work. When you're done with that task or want to pause, click Stop Timer. That ends the session and logs the duration to your connected tracking service. You can repeat this workflow for any card on the board to build up a clear record of time sectors across your tasks. If you don't see the timer, refresh the page, make sure the power-up is enabled on this board, and confirm you're signed into the tracking tool. And that's it. You've set up time sectors in Trello and learned how to start and stop the timer directly from your cards for clean, consistent time tracking.